We're going to do plugs on this. When I did my first test ride, it has a misfire like part throttle. Pulled the plugs. I was going to get some, but I couldn't find any locally, so I had to order them. But I cleaned them up, and I've ridden it a couple times with them cleaned up. But I'll pop a photo up here. This is a pressure sensor. A little magnet for that one. It's just way back in there. One coil. Two coil holders. Plug one. Yeah, that's the right combo. Number two. The DI plug goes in the bottom hole, or the outer plug, closest to the side of the bike. The plug's in pretty good condition. It's got some build up and it's definitely worn. I tightened the gap up. It was pretty loose. I'll post some photos. Drop them in there. The inner plug, I think, was my issue plug. And it's worn. It's not bad, per se. But the top was covered in shit and there's rust on it. And water was definitely getting in there when he was washing this. And the BI plug goes in the middle of the bike, is how I remembered it. I'll drop some photos in there. One thing I'm going to do is clean up the coil bracket. There's some shit built up on it. Use the least caustic thing known to man. Spray away glass cleaner. It cleans surprisingly well. WD is always my option too, and it's a little grosser. But this is literally safe for damn near everything. Start putting this all back together. Pull the bracket back in. There it went. Coil brackets popped in. There's a couple screws, bolts. There's one in the back. It kind of sucks, just because you gotta get by the throttle cable. Oh shit! Third time's the charm. Look at that. Grab a ratchet. Grab the other coil. Where you hook up the low pressure switch. The light, the dumb light. I'm not sure if this is right, or if this is how it's supposed to be. There's a long Allen. It goes in the back plastic. This has a Rottweiler airbox on it. Back that off. Grab my needle nose. Yeah, I'm just not sure about that. If you look in there, there's a spacer and that long bolt goes through the spacer and it just catches the airbox on this bracket. Not sure if that's right or not. I actually need to look into that. This is one little clean type of body stuff. That's back together. Seat back on. I actually like how the seat comes on and off on this. It's pretty slick. That slots here. Body plug buttons here and it locks back here. Got some crash protection goodies. These are bar insiders from Wild Manufacturing from Great Lakes Supermoto's website. They're just Delrin. Support people you trust and like. I like these guys. I bought their product. End of the day. So yeah, let's install these. Gotta take off the handguard. I'm just taking these apart. I did figure out to make this all fit nice, I put a washer in here, helps make it a little stronger so you don't push through the plastic. Because on the hand guards, the bolts sit in this little pocket. I think the Toxic Moto bar insiders might fit a little better, but they're not. I can't find them for sale anywhere right now. Push your bolt through. And it'll be ready to go back on. That's solid. Did a oil change on the 701. Found a few surprises and they're good ones. Has KTM filters in it, which makes me feel good. I got no idea how much usage is on the oil. Yeah, probably shouldn't have dropped that. But there's no big chunks in the filters. I haven't seen any big chunks in the filters. There's a little bit of fiber here. But man, they look good. The magnet didn't have anything on it that scared me. Screens look super clean. Yeah, they literally have like nothing on them. Like 2 or 3 specks of dirt on both of them, which isn't enough to make me worry about nothing. So that's good. I'm gonna run this oil like 3,000 miles and send a sample in and see where we're at.